Hello everyone, welcome to Clarity for Sure and Agri Clarity YouTube channel, and I welcome you all to the lecture series of Concept Clarity. Today in this video we are going to discuss one of the topics from your Animal Husbandry syllabus, that is the important breeds of cattle. We will be dealing this important breeds of cattle in two parts, that is part 1 and part 2, because this topic is very crucial for your both NABARD Grade A and IBPS AFO examination, because we have instances where questions from these topics have been repeatedly asked. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the session. First of all, let us try to understand what a species is. See, a species is nothing but it is the basic unit of the biological classification. And you have to remember that members of these species can interbreed and produce fertile offspring. This is a very important term which you have to note down, because members of that species, for example, there will be different breeds in that species, they can interbreed and they can produce a fertile offspring. For example, see, cattle, regardless of which breed it is, they belong to a same species. The species, the broader classification of species for the cattle is Bos taurus or Bos indicus. Okay, these species, see how the species are differentiated. They are separated by their reproductive barriers, and you have to note down that two different species cannot produce offspring together. That is a very important point which you have to note down when you study about a species. Okay. Now coming to a breed. So what is a breed? See, the breed is a subgroup of a particular species which has been selectively bred. This is an important keyword by humans for specific traits. Those traits can be to enhance the milk production, or to enhance the meat quality, or to enhance the appearance of the cattle or whatever animal it may be, and also to use that animal in as a labor in the agricultural fields. Okay, so what is a species? A species is a broader term where a breed is a subgroup within that particular species. Okay, see, breeds are not biologically distinct in the same way species are. That means it can interbreed because they belong to a same species. Which you have to note it down is that breeds are not biologically distant. Okay, and they can interbreed when a breed is, when two or three breeds belong to a particular species, they can interbreed, but two different species cannot interbreed. Okay, for example, I'm telling you, see, Holstein you know, and Jersey, the cow you know, these breeds both are belong to a species called Bos taurus, and they both can interbreed. Okay, and this Brahman is a breed of Bos indicus. Okay, breed. What is a Bos indicus? That is a species, and Brahman is a breed from that particular species which is known for its heat resistant. I hope the difference between the species and a breed is clear to you now. Now coming into the lecture, before going into the lecture, in a simple terms, you can keep in mind that species, what is a species? It is a very big family and it will not mix others outside it. Okay, but what is a breed? It is a specific member, or it is a style within that particular family. That particular family here means that particular species which can mix with others in the same species. Okay, this is very important. I hope the difference between species and breed is clear to you now. Now moving into the lectures, in today's lecture we will be discussing two different types. One will be the indigenous milch breeds of cattle and second will be the indigenous draught breeds of cattle. Okay. See, whatever we are going to discuss has been taken directly from the IBPS AFO notes that is being provided by the Clarity for Sure for your upcoming IBPS AFO examination. Okay, so this is the extract from the notes which we are giving for the students who have enrolled for the test series. Okay, now coming into the lecture, see, first is the indigenous milch breeds. It means the milk yielding breeds. Okay, the first one is Gir. Okay, as the name itself shows, it originates from the Gir forest of Gujarat and it is a stress tolerant, that is the heat tolerant, the stress tolerant, and it is a disease resistant breed which has a milking capacity of on an average of 1200 to 1800 kg of milk and the fat percentage is 4.6. And you know, this particular breed is being bred globally in countries like Brazil, USA, Singapore, etc. for its high yielding milk capacity and also the fair percentage of fat that has. Okay, next comes your Red Sindhi. This is also one of the important milch breeds of cattle and this originated in the region of Sindh, Pakistan. It is also known as the Malir, also known as the Red Karachi or Sindhi. So you might have a question in your examination just describing about the specification of this particular breed. For example, which of the following is also known as the Red Karachi or Malir? So the answer would be Red Sindhi. Okay. The name Red Sindhi has come from its appearance because it has a red coat with white patches and milk yielding capacity is 1250 to 1800 kg of milk and fat percentage is very high in this milk, that is from 4 to 5, between 4 and 5.2 percentage of fat. And like Gir, this is also bred globally in many countries for its good milk capacity and also its high amount of fat percentage. Okay, next comes your Sahiwal. This is a very important milch breed because see, this is the breed which gives you the highest milk yielding capacity on an average of 1400 to 2500 kg of milk per lactation. Okay, and it originated from the regions of Ferozpur and Amritsar in Punjab. It is also known as Lola. Okay, red Sahiwal is also known as Lola, and this is one important breed which has been used in developing the Australian milking cattle called Zebu. Okay, based on this Sahiwal only, the Zebu cattle has been bred. Okay, because we have seen that a breed can be a selective breeding can be done within a species to enhance the quality of a outcoming breed. For example, here Zebu, which is known for its high milk yielding capacity. Okay, so the Sahiwal is used in developing of this Australian breed called Zebu, milking breed called Zebu. I hope this important milch breeds of cattle is clear to you now. So I think you will be now in a better position to answer any question that will come from this indigenous milk breeds of cattle. See, we are discussing only the most important breeds that can come in your examination. Okay, now coming to the indigenous draught breeds of cattle. Okay, we have seen the milch breeds, now we are going to see the draught breeds. First comes your Hallikar. See, this Hallikar has its origin from the Vijayanagar Empire, that is the new times Mysore Karnataka region. Okay, and it is a very compact muscular draught breed with strong trotting ability. It means that it is very efficient in plowing the land, and draught breeds are mostly or mainly used for this agricultural labor purposes. Okay, the milk yielding capacity is 542 kg per lactation and the average fat is 5.7 percentage, and it is a heat tolerant breed for drought. Okay, next comes your Amrit Mahal, and see, this is done through a selective breeding by those times Mysore rulers from the area of Chikmagalur, Karnataka. Okay, it is a powerful draught breed because this breed has been selectively bred to to their existing climate, to existing agricultural systems, so that this Amrit Mahal will have a powerful trotting ability and it can be a powerful draught breed. Okay, and what is about the appearance of this particular breed? It has a black coat, long horns, and but it is a poor lactating animal. The average lactating range is 572 kg per cycle. Okay, sometimes the questions can be describing the physical features of a particular cattle, and the question and the examiner can ask which of the following is described in the passage above. So you need to pay attention to their physical traits as well, the appearance and the physical traits as well. Next comes your Khilari. See, this also originates from the region of Karnataka and Maharashtra, and it is a very compact, high stamina draught breed. Okay, which has a quick gait. It produces around 240 to 515 kg milk at 4.2 percentage of fat. Okay, next comes your Kangayam. See, this originates from the Tamil Nadu region and it is also known as the Kongu breed. Okay, this is very important breed for agricultural and hauling breed, which has a gray color male. Okay, the male will be in the color of gray and the cow will be in the color of white or gray. Okay, it has a crescent long shaped horns which distinguish this from the other draught breeds. Okay, and the average milk yielding capacity of the cows here will be 542 kg, and the fat percentage, it differs from 1.6 to 7.7 percentage. This is very important because see, it also some cows gives less fat percentage also, and some cows of this particular breed gives you a very high fat percentage also. And one important thing which you have to note it down is that it resembles another breed from Tamil Nadu. It is known as the Umblacheri breed. Okay, next comes your Bargur. See, this also originates from the hilly regions of Tamil Nadu, that is the Bargur hills, and it is a brown color breed. Okay, which has a curved horns and it is specifically used for the agricultural work, and the average milk yielding capacity of this particular breed is 350 kg milk per lactation. Next comes your Umblacheri breed. See, this is also one of the breeds that originates from the Tamil Nadu region, and it is a draught breed for field work, because we know if it is a draught breed, then it is mainly used for the agricultural field work. Okay, which has a gray males and the cow also. And the average milk yielding capacity of this particular Umblacheri breed is 494 kg, and the fat percentage is 4.94 percentage. Next comes your Pulikulam breed. This is also one of the breed that originates from the Pulikulam region of Tamil Nadu. It is a very small breed and it is a drought tolerant breed. Okay, here the male will be of dark gray color and the female cow will be of both white and gray color, and the average milk yielding capacity is very low, that is only 1.25 kg of milk per day, and this milk is primarily used for their local consumption only, because this breed does not give you more milk. Okay, next comes your the Alambadi breed. Okay, this also originates from a region called Alambadi in Tamil Nadu, and this is similar to another draught breed called Hallikar, which we have seen in the first slide. Okay, and these are gray or dark gray in color. Okay, and this has a backward curving horn. See, this is a keyword. We have seen a crescent shaped horns for Kangayam breed, and we also saw that Kangayam breed resembles the Umblacheri breed. Now this Alambadi breed is differentiated from other breeds with their backward curving horns, and this breed is primarily used for ploughing. So these are some of the important breeds of draught breeds of cattle, which may come as a question in your actual examination for both NABARD Grade A and IBPS AFO examination. So just note down the particular points whichever we have dealt, so that at the time of revision it will be very useful for you to focus only on those keywords, and with that keyword only you will be able to identify the answer. Okay. So I hope the session was clear and useful to you. Now whatever knowledge we have got from the session, we will try to apply that in these questions. The first question is, which of the following is or correct regarding the Red Sindhi? This originates from the Karachi and Hyderabad regions of undivided India. Milk ranges from 2000 to 2800 kg per lactation. Bullocks, despite lethargic and slow, hence cannot be used for field or road work. So option D is B and C only, and option E is A and B, A all of the above. So let me know your answers in the comment section below for this particular. So this will be your next question. Consider the following statements regarding the Hallikar breed and choose the correct answer from the following options. Okay, it is one of the indigenous dairy breeds of cattle, dairy cattle breeds of India, originated from the former princely state of Vijayanagaram, presently part of Karnataka. The color of the breed is grey or dark grey. So let me know your answers in the comment section below for this particular question as well, so that I'll be able to understand whether the lecture was clear to you all. So if you have any feedback related to the lecture also, please let me know in the comment section. So we will try to incorporate those feedbacks also in our upcoming lectures. So if you are looking for a dedicated test series for the upcoming IBPS AFO 2025 examination, Clarity for Sure has come up with a 24/7 test series for this AFO examination, where you will be getting your test block wise every day, and on every Saturday you will be having a current affairs test, and on every Sunday you will be having a full length test that actually mimics the actual IBPS AFO pattern. Along with this, you will also get a QRE paper, which will be immensely helpful to clear your phase 1, that is your prelims. So the description, the link for this particular test series will be given in the description box below. So if you are interested and if you are looking for a very good test series, consider enrolling to our IBPS AFO 24/7 test series, which is a unique initiative where all your syllabus is covered, will be covered in a single test series along with the notes for each block. Okay, so this is all for today, and this is all for today's lecture. I will meet you with another lecture on the same topic, that is part 2 of the important breeds of cattle. Until then, study well, take care, have a good day.